And the last one is the Administrative Guideline 109, and this is for resource materials. And it is particularly for the selection of resource materials. So last year, during our curriculum review, last year the curriculum department began the review cycle of the library curriculum. At this time, the need to develop more consistent guidelines for purchasing books in our library was discovered. Policy and Administrative Guidelines 109 was noted to be in need of updating, starting with the selection process most urgently, because each building seemingly operated very independently. Working with the librarians, curriculum department, secondary curriculum supervisor, policy committee, and the superintendent, the AG 109 selection of resource materials has been completed with a review and feedback from legal counsel. We will be reviewing Administrative Guideline 109 2 through 4, which is reevaluation and weeding in the foreseeable future. The selection of resource materials administrative guideline has been updated to ensure all of our new library books are reviewed in an equitable fashion throughout the district. It is noted that much of these guidelines are subjective in nature. We have taken steps to ensure that no single personal opinion will remove a book from the probability of addition to the collection. The process will still be guided by the principles incorporated in the School Library Bill of Rights, the Freedom to Read Statement, and the standards adopted by the American Association of School Libraries, and evaluated with consultation by reputable, professionally prepared aides to selection. Once potential books are selected for purchase, the librarian will preview and catalog each selection. Any book that may contain questionable material will be further vetted by an even larger collection of educational professionals, including school counselors, other librarians, teachers, building cultural equity or literary committee, and any other relevant parties. This group will review the selected books to determine if criteria are met to eliminate the book from addition to the collection. This criteria was created by the committee in conjunction with our solicitor to follow not only best practice, but also case law. If a book does go through the expanded vetting process, it will be noted with the listing of the book in the catalog. It is noted that any parent can access the district's resource catalog, as well as their own child's library circulation record. If a parent knows of a particular title in the catalog that they wish for their child not to access, they may make a request to the building principal, and a note will be added on that student's account indicating restriction. That concludes my report.